Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Tap the Safari icon on your home screen to open the browser now. The Smart Search field sits at the top of the screen and works for addresses and search queries. Tap the field and type your keywords using the on-screen keyboard. You can also tap the microphone icon to speak a query for voice search. Results appear as suggestions while you type, and Safari updates suggestions from your default search engine. Swipe down on the results to reveal more options and quick actions. When results load, tap Show More to reveal additional entries from your search engine. Use filters for images, videos, news, and maps by tapping the corresponding tab under the search field. To search within a page, open the page and choose Find on Page from the Share menu, or tap the address bar and enter your search term followed by Done. To limit results to one website, type site, example, com followed by keywords in the search field. Long press links to preview pages without leaving results. Open Settings, then Safari to change your default search engine and privacy options easily. Enable Prevent Cross-Site Tracking to reduce targeted tracking by advertisers across sites. Use Clear History and website data to remove cached pages and reset search suggestions when needed. If Safari behaves slowly, close tabs or force quit the app and reopen it to improve performance. Update iOS to the latest version to get search improvements and bug fixes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.